is my father getting worse?
Oh dear. It's never easy seeing a loved one in pain.
What is that you just gave him?
It's complicated.
High potassium nitrate levels.
I noticed that. What would happen if this solution were delivered to someone intravenously?
This solution? Harmless. But if administered repeatedly over the course of several days, it could kill someone.
Let's get this out of the way.
Wait. Harry doesn't want the shot.
It was at that moment she revealed she also had a dark passenger.
She's killing you with high levels of potassium nitrate. Just stop.
I've been waiting to hear those words for so long.